Take a look at this convertible here, unique, especially in classics. It's a 1973 Buick Centurion convertible. Believed to be actual miles, 85,202 is what the odometer shows. According to the previous owner, that is accurate. 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Take a look at the front grille, bright work. Headlight surrounds, of course, the Centurion logo. Now, as far as the paint, silver exterior, black vinyl interior. Paint does show its age. It's one of those cars where you can get into the classic car hobby, have a convertible without breaking the bank, or maybe you want to take it to the next level and fix this one up, get a little fresh paint, TLC. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, uniqueclassiccars.com. So uniqueclassiccars.com for all the still pictures. 507-386-1726. Number you can call to inquire on this vehicle. So you can see Centurion wheel covers. And I will point some things out as we go down the car. I notice there's an emblem missing with holes here. There's a few spots where there's some corrosion on this door. And then also down around the wheel well in the rear here. But like I said, drive it the way it is. Have some fun in the summer with the top down. Nice parade car. Like I said, maybe you want to take it to the next level. It's up to the next owner. Interior looks very stock. We'll put the convertible top up at the end too so you can see the condition of that. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Just take a look at the rear chrome. And again, paint. And you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. So like I said, take your time looking through the still pictures. Try to get some nice close-ups so you can kind of see the condition of it. I'm checking. That doesn't really show up too easy. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. Of course, a Buick, nicely equipped power windows. On the interior also, and we're going to take a look at the interior here in just a bit. Also power locks. So take a look at the driver's side. All right. Take a little closer look at this interior. Seat belt's still intact. Interior appears to be original. Get rid of that door chime a second. There we go. And again, here you can see power windows, power locks. Original door panel. Do a power seat over on this side also. Need the key on. Power seat and up. So you're aware of that. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. 85,202, there's your, believed to be actual miles. And remember, power steering, power brakes, AC. Compressor would kick on and off according to the technician, but system may need to be charged. And I have a radio that powers up, but I have not gotten sound out of it. Just so you're aware of that. Around to the back so you can hear it run. That was a cold start. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pop the hood and we'll take a little closer look at this engine bay. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Pretty stock looking engine bay. You know what you'd expect. Again, 350. 4-barrel. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 automatic transmission to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top up, roll the windows up. And then remember, stick around to the end of the video. You'll see what it's like. Kind of go down the road in this vehicle, take a little driving video. Get your virtual ride. And And here it is with the top up. So black vinyl top. Looks like it's been replaced along the way somewhere. Nice tight fit above the windshield. I also rolled up both side windows, passenger and driver, so you can see that those do work and fit pretty good too. I don't see any rips, tears, or holes. It's gonna leak or anything from the top part of it. Just got a couple where it's just along the side and each one where it's kind of how it fits, but if you need it to keep you out of the sun, maybe a brief shower, I think it's gonna serve its purpose just fine. And here you can see on the passenger side too how the glass fits. And obviously, like I said, power windows work. All right. 1973 Buick Centurion convertible, 350 underneath the hood, automatic, nicely equipped. UniqueClassicCars.com. So you can check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726. Give us a call. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1973 Buick Centurion. Nice big old boat. Comfy boat ride. Split bench seat. Automatic on the column. Our turn signal indicators are working. Speedometer also working. Fuel gauge reading a little less than a quarter of a tank. The rest are warning lights. Testing the cruise. Cruise does not seem to function. Blower motor does work, wipers work. This car is, of course, a smooth 1973 Buick ride. Cruising down the highway, you don't feel much. It feels very comfortable and smooth. This is a convertible, as you can tell, and the top is down. Don't think I've seen very many Centurion convertibles. Excellent power steering. Very good brakes as well. I hear a little bit of an exhaust tick maybe at the manifold. Not enough to be much of an issue. This car corners as you would expect for a 73 full-size Buick. Acceleration is also good as you would expect. A great cruiser. Fit a lot of people in this car and just have some fun on the road. Smooth ride if I let go of the wheel. This car stays straight in the road. Very easy to drive, comfortable, big Buick. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.